so I'm here with RPG Show Lifestyle. Once more, I love the box. Looks so good. I love the design. For the wig, oh my gosh, I'm excited for this. This is a bob that we're working with, guys. You know, it's summertime almost, and it's already getting so hot. Something about RPG Show Lifestyle is just like, it screams quality, and it's not the first time I'm telling you guys this. This wig is nicely layered, okay? I love it. As soon as I take it out of the box, like I'm just in love. Okay, so this is a silky straight texture that we're working with. It's 14 inches long, so it is a long bob. All right, it's you can see it's a streaked vibe, a highlighted vibe that's going on with the colors. A glueless lace front wig. The lace is a tinted transparent Swiss lace, and it's medium brown. So that's the color it's tinted to. That's how it looks. Of course, you know Swiss lace is my favorite. It's my number one lace at the moment. So as I said, I love this wig. It's a long bob and it's very nicely layered. It comes nicely layered, and that's just a big deal to me, that they take the time out to always customize their wig so nicely. So you know, you have minimal work to do. So this is how it looks. It comes pre-plucked as well, and it's very realistic looking. It came with a side part here. It looks so good, guys. RPG Show is just doing it. Love it. RPG Show Lifestyle. Okay. I slip the wig on, and I'm just ensuring that I'm lining up everything really nicely, so you know it can look as realistic as possible. You guys know the number one thing I do when I slip my wigs on is ensure that around the ear portion is sitting properly. I really love the style of this wig, or the style that it came with. It wasn't like the regular, you know, straight or curly bob. You know, I really like that messy, effortless look that was displayed with this wig. So as you can see, I'm using my Got2b to apply today, and I take my time and I just do the same old, you know, nothing different. My blow dryer is set on cool air as usual, and the hairline, as you can see, it's not like deeply graduated. You know, it's realistic enough, but I can say if you want to go in and pluck this further, you can. Just be careful, because again, you know, it is a tinted transparent Swiss lace. These laces are more delicate, so you want to be gentle when working with them, because you don't want to tear it and stuff like that. These laces are more expensive as well, so you really don't want to tear it. You guys know, whenever I apply my adhesive, when I cut away the excess lace, like the edge portion there will tend to have like a little lifting sometimes, so I just go back over that area a little bit with my Got2b to melt it in really nicely. And it's really quick. It doesn't take a long time to do that, especially with the dryer on cool air. Once I was done with that, I did my swoops, and yeah, you could skip it. As you know, since recent times, a lot of my applications, I have not done any swoops or baby hairs whatsoever, so you definitely have that option as well. If you don't feel like doing that, you don't have to. So yeah, once I was done with that, I laid the top of the wig and the hairline portion with my hot comb, just so that everything looks really nice and flat and presentable. And personally, I love that look. You know, it's all up to you and preference, but I feel like it looks way more together that way. So yeah, I went in and I kind of refreshed a few parts within the wig with my curling iron, and I did just like a very messy curl wave thing. As you can see here, it was my first time attempting to do this, and it came out pretty nice. You know, it's different. It's very different. It's a different kind of technique. So yeah. That effortless vibe kind of style that it came with initially. So I wanted to, that's what drew me to selecting this wig, because it was kind of different. It's not regular just curly or straight. It was just kind of like in between. It have that effortless, messy bob vibe. As I said, I went in and I you know, kind of curled here. You know, and not really curled, but kind of, you know, bumped it and gave it, you know, a little bit more. Yeah, you understand I'm with it? So I must say RPG Show always come through with the quality. I can feel it barely shed, like it shed but barely. Okay, so it's not a lot of shedding, and the hairline is very realistic. The hair is very easy to work with, and I feel like, you know, with bobs they shed less because it's shorter. From my experience, at least with most bobs, they shed less. And I'm sorry for playing in the hair so much. Let me know if you guys like this bob. It's effortless. If you want to go ahead and give that bone straight, I've shown you so many bobs where it's just bone straight or it's curly. So I feel like giving it a different kind of vibe it makes it a little bit more interesting, and I'm happy that I could do that today with this. It might not be everybody's cup of tea, so if this is not what you're going for, go ahead and straighten it or curl it if you like. But I do love the vibe that, you know, displayed on it, the kind of style that displayed on it initially. So yeah, it's very nice, and I love the color job, by the way. Yes, I really do love the color job. So please be sure to go ahead and check out my description box for the direct link to this wig if you're interested, because it's really nice. Shout out to you guys, shout out to RPG Show Lifestyle again for this bomb wig.